Does fish really help you manage diabetes? Are there some types of fish that could potentially do more harm than good? And what are the best ways to cook and serve fish to maximize its health benefits for people with diabetes? Well, I'm a doctor, and in today's video, we're going to tackle these questions and separate fact from fiction. I've had patients, clients, and even friends tell me, I've heard fish is good for diabetes, but they never said exactly how or why, and that's what we're going to clear up today. We'll cover the science-backed reasons why fish is considered a superfood, why certain types of fish can be risky for some people, particularly those with diabetes. We'll also reveal the best types of fish to eat, how to cook them right, how to incorporate them into a meal in a way that benefits your blood sugar levels and overall health. Fish is often labeled a superfood, especially for people managing chronic conditions like diabetes. But let's peel back the layers. The term superfood is a marketing term, not a scientific one. What makes fish nutritionally dense is its unique combination of nutrients. It's usually rich in lean protein, which is essential for muscle repair, hormone production, and a feeling of fullness after a meal. This is very important for diabetics who need to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Fish is also celebrated for its omega-3 fatty acids. In particular, fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent sources. Omega-3 South are powerful anti-inflammatory fats that can help reduce insulin resistance, which is common in diabetes. They also play a vital role in maintaining heart health, another critical concern for diabetics, since they're at a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, fish provides high-quality protein that's easier to digest than red meat and poultry. This lean protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels by reducing the glycemic impact of a meal. However, the benefits of fish don't end there. It's also a good source of vitamin D, crucial for bone health and immune function, as well as minerals like magnesium, zinc, and selenium. These contribute to better glucose metabolism and reduced inflammation throughout the body. Now let's discuss how fish can potentially harm diabetics. While fish offers many health benefits, it's essential to consider both sides of the coin. The primary concern with fish is mercury toxicity. Larger predatory fish like swordfish, shark, king mackerel, tilefish tend to accumulate high levels of mercury in their tissues. Mercury is a heavy metal that can affect the nervous system. An excessive intake has been linked to insulin resistance and oxidative stress, worsening diabetes management. For diabetics, who are already at a higher risk of nerve damage, this is a serious consideration. Additionally, fish from polluted waters may contain harmful contaminants like polychlorinated biphenyls and dioxins. These toxins can disrupt hormones and impair insulin sensitivity. It's crucial to ensure the fish you consume is fresh, sustainably sourced, and free from contaminants. Lastly, the way fish is prepared and served can significantly impact its health benefits. Many people enjoy fish at fast food restaurants or prepare it by deep frying at home. However, these methods often result in fish that's loaded with unhealthy fats, refined carbohydrates, and excess sodium. Deep frying not only destroys the beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, but also introduces unhealthy trans fats into the diet. These factors can spike blood sugar levels and cause inflammation, counteracting the positive effects of fish. To make sure fish is a beneficial part of your diet, remember these. Check for mercury advisories, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or have diabetes. Opt for smaller, lower mercury species like salmon, sardines, mackerel, trout, or cod. Avoid overly processed or battered fish. Choose grilled, baked, poached, or broiled preparations over fried options. Be mindful of sauces and condiments that contain added sugars or excessive sodium. So now you understand the why and the watch-outs. Let's talk specifics. Which types of fish are the most nutrient-dense and beneficial for diabetics? One of the best choices is wild-caught salmon. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, has a low glycemic index, and is a good source of high-quality protein. Another excellent option is sardines. They're packed with omega-3 South, calcium, and vitamin D, and they're an affordable, convenient choice. Mackerel is also a fantastic source of omega-3 South, but opt for Atlantic mackerel, as king mackerel can have high mercury levels. Let's finish with a bang. If you've stuck around until the end, you've earned it. What should you take away from our conversation about fish and diabetes? Here are 3 key takeaways. First, fish is a powerful ally for managing diabetes. Its protein, omega-3 south, vitamins, and minerals help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Second, not all fish is the same. Its mercury levels, contaminants, cooking methods, and pairings all matter. Choose wisely to reap the maximum benefits. Third, educate yourself and empower others. Share this knowledge with friends and family. Together, we can master our health and make informed choices. Thank you for joining me today. Hope this video has empowered you to see both sides of the coin when it comes to fish and diabetes. As always, prioritize your health and well-being. Make smart choices, stay proactive, and keep shining brightly. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep fueling your body with wisdom instead of impulse.